Hey guys, it's me, Harmony Blazinski, and welcome to another Animal Kingdom video. Um, so I'm just gonna level up to level 16. That's gonna be pretty good. That's a pretty good skin. Alright, let's go over here now. It's actually pretty interesting. I'm doing pretty good. Oh. Wait, I'm already just fighting boars randomly. Oh god, rabbit. Easy. Oh, another rabbit. Let's get it. Boink. Wait. Oh, dang, that was so close, too. Oh wait, oh my gosh. Wait, there's a stream. That is really pretty. Wait, let's get the bear. Alright, let me go over here. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, I just died. I just died. Oh my gosh, somebody got a fox. Oh. Everybody has wolves or foxes right now. Which just shows the other animals are kind of hard to get. Wait, hold up. Um... I kind of need to get on the other side of the stream because that's definitely important. Um, wait, one, two. That's crazy. I see some boars up ahead, which is pretty interesting. Wait. Oh, he just ran that way. He's just like, I don't want to die. Okay, let's get this one. Yay, I get some jewels. That's good. I mean, I'm trying to get the tiger right now, so hopefully I can get the tiger. Oh god. No. Oh, well, I just have to respawn. Oh my gosh. There's a boar up ahead. Hey, buddy. Oh, he just walked. He's like, yeah, no. These are kind of easy to kill, because, like, it just takes 2 seconds. Oh, these ones are kind of easy. Wait, hold up. Revive? Let's just help revive them. Revive. Wait. Wait. Oh, wait. Rabbits. Easy. Easier to kill, actually. You just have to kill them. It takes like 2 seconds. Literally. I guess I could just swim. That would be a lot faster than jumping. Uh... I mean, I could try to climb, but that's just gonna make it a lot harder, to be honest. I see, like, something in the distance. Hopefully I can actually be able to get the next set of animals, so... Hold up. Oh, there's that one. I love doing these time things. It's kind of fun at the same time. Wait. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to find it in time. It's kind of more of a challenge, in my opinion. There's a boar up here. Let's find another boar. Oh, there he is. Very close. That's like 11 minutes is pretty good. Let's get this one. Oh god. Man, that was hard. Might as well let my health get back up. I'm pretty close. So that's pretty decent. Somebody actually has a white one. That's pretty cool. I leveled up. That's pretty good. Well, let's fight another. I'm definitely going to save up for the Tiger Fury chest. Okay, let me just, oh god, he just went that way. He's like, no, I'm not dying today. I'd rather just, Well, anyways, I hope y'all, enjoyed this video. It was honestly pretty decent. It's kind of cool I get to climb trees, but I'm very glad that I really do hope y'all enjoyed my video. Anyways, Harmony Blazinski, over and out. Thank you for watching my video. Harmony Blazinski, over and out. Goodbye.